that. You getting that shit in? There we go. This is what the birthday is supposed to say.
Say it, John.
Oh, Uggy. Uggy. Look at shot. Oh my God. It was not meant. It was, yo, sis, you did your thing. KO to the beat.
Hey you guys, I hope you are enjoying this video so far. So I am getting this wig put on from Amazon for my birthday. I tried it out. I like it. I like how it felt. You guys, this wig was perfect. I will link everything down in the description box below. And you guys, when I say my sister did this, my sister-in-law did this, and my niece did this, they did what they were supposed to do. Look at them tag teaming me. Okay, one person doing the edges, one person installed. Y'all get with it. So this was the night before my birthday. I actually brung my birthday in getting my hair done, y'all. I already started drinking a little bit. So if I look a little crazy, that's why, y'all. But I had to still get my hair done. Like, baby, I can't go nowhere with my hair not being done. I had a surprise trip coming up. Didn't know I was going on a surprise trip. So, baby, like, come on. I had to bring my birthday in looking right, looking good. I had the mother and daughter duo. I'm talking about, they're a good team, yo. They definitely are a good team. Niecy Pooh on the edges. She definitely know how to do them edges, yo. If y'all need an edges tutorial, let me know. I could get her to show y'all how to do them because, baby, she do the edges good. Period. She do the edges good. I'm getting the last little bit of touch up done. And look how she just brushed through that. Look, it just goes so smooth, nice and wavy. I love this hair. Alright you guys, so this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anyone and everyone. Let them know what your girl Teresa's over here doing. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And look at me, I had to end it at the bar. I'm out, y'all.